Alright, so today I'm going to give you guys a little update on the M3, what's going on with it, why you guys haven't seen it very often, and why I just haven't been super active on YouTube or Instagram recently. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of background. Right now I'm in the Bay Area, been here for about 2 weeks, and 2 weeks ago is when I drove the car back up from SoCal. So the issue happened when I was just getting into the San Jose area, and I noticed that the car was kind of pacing back and forth a little bit, like almost like jumping or stuttering. And so it obviously caught my attention. I thought it was weird, but didn't think too much of it. But I did continue to notice it, and then sure enough, about 5-10 minutes later, it ended up throwing a engine malfunction code. So before it even threw the code, I was already thinking that the throttle actuators were starting to go out. And then, yeah, I just pulled over to the side of the road, turned the car off, turned it on again. The light went away, and just took it easy on the rest of the way home, since I was so close. So I pretty much just limped my way home, and then put the car away. And then when I had some time, I ended up reading out the ECU and seeing what codes were thrown. And in fact, it does look like it is the throttle actuators that are bad on this car. So it's funny because I just had an IG live about a week ago, and I was saying, you know, I think the throttle actuators are going out, and that was before I read the codes. And well, good guess, I was right. So it kind of sucks, but I'm not too surprised since everyone knows on these cars that throttle actuators tend to go out. This is the first, I guess, issue, if you want to call it that. I mean, it is. This is the first thing that's gone wrong with the car in my almost 3 years of ownership now. So it's been solid. Part of that is because it's such low mileage, so there's not too much that can go wrong. I already replaced the rod bearings as preventative maintenance. I'm only at 34,000 miles. So it is very early for throttle actuators to go out, but it is what it is. I do drive my car a bit more aggressively than others do. So I guess just all the POV stuff contributes to a little bit of elevated wear on the throttle actuators. So like I said, not too surprised, but I was a bit still surprised that it went out this early. I was probably hoping to get to at least like 40 or 45K before they went out, but oh well. So that's pretty much what's going on with the M3. You guys saw the previous video of the C8, the point of view breaking that car in. Again, I just want to clarify, it's not my car, it's just in my family, so I will be taking it out sometimes and filming some videos with it, and you know, putting my little influence on the mods that we're gonna do. So in addition to that, don't worry, the M3 is not going anywhere, since the C8 is not a replacement by any means for this car. So there's still gonna be tons of content coming with this car. So very excited to first of all get my car fixed, and second of all, once that's fixed, get out and do some more meets around the Bay Area and do some drives, do some POV videos, explore new areas. So I've already been around scouting some stuff, so I already have some places in mind that I want to go with the car, just waiting to get the throttle actuators fixed. So as you can see, I'm not at a house, so I can still kind of limp the car around. I'm not doing that, I'm just letting it sit. So I just wanted to take it out to film this video to give you guys a little status update on what's going on with the car. So there's that. Throttle actuators are gone. So currently just figuring it out right now. Should be fixed in the next couple weeks. But don't worry, that doesn't mean that there's not going to be any content for the next couple weeks. I still have a couple videos actually to edit. So I haven't posted anything of my drive up from SoCal. So I've got a lot of POV action from there. We drove the coast. So I'll probably release some of that stuff as the next video. And then in addition to that, I filmed a lot when I was in SoCal. So I have a lot of POV videos and a couple other things that I already have filmed that's kind of just been put on the back burner. So I have a good amount of footage in stock that I can tap into while the car is down right now. That's that. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick update video. M3 will be back soon, don't worry. And we'll get a lot of cool content coming in the Bay Area. So everyone who's in the Bay Area, keep your eye out, because we're gonna have some meets and cruises coming very shortly once this is all fixed. All right, that is going to be all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.